Yes. So this was last class topic connecting with page navigations. Page navigation is transferring the control from one page to another web page. That too through coding. And that coding includes one response.redirect, second is server.transfer, second is cross page postback, plus third one, fourth one is hyperlink. And how the process goes, I have covered all that stuff last session. Today we are going to see examples on that page navigations. Right. So let's see them. File, new, website. Website 17 it is. Okay. Successful. Website, add new item, web form, page 1.aspx. Add new item, web form, page 2.aspx. Yes, two pages we have. Page 1.aspx and page 2.aspx. Page 2, however, I'm not going to write any code in it, except we just get confirmation message. Yes, this is page 2. Break line. Break line. Okay. Now go to page 1.aspx. Now in this page 1.aspx, now let's make all our controls placed on it. What are they? So I'm going to keep now 3 buttons. 3. Okay. Toolbox, button. First one. Again toolbox, button. Second. Toolbox, third button. Right click properties, text. Here I write response dot redirect, id btn redirect, properties, text, server dot transfer, id btn transfer, third button, text one, cross page, btn cross page. Save. 3 buttons. Now what I will do, between this server dot transfer and cross page, okay, I'll create an hyperlink directly. Solution Explorer, page 2.aspx. Yes, direct drag and drop. Now go to source code and you can see that, yes, anchor tag is created. Just drag and drop. What is created? Uh, Okay. Okay. Now say go back to design window. Yes. Now what exactly you're looking for? Uh, okay, I'll do one thing. Uh, Here, even I'm going to create one text box. Text box. First label you keep label. Go to properties, text, enter data. Txt demo. Yes. So now you can say this text box has a value. Sorry, a name property. That's called ID, no? ID. And what is that ID we have is uh, txt demo. I said name of the text box. I gave as what txt demo. Okay. Now, what exactly you're looking for is what you're looking is whenever I click on to this button and whatever information that is provided in this. So, what I was saying, whenever I click on to this button, whatever information I input here, that I would like to send it to page 2. Okay, that's what you're trying for. So, do one thing, double click on the button. Yes, it will generate click event method. Okay, and what do you want to do? You have to write here response dot redirect, and you should give here which page you should give, page 2 dot aspx. Okay, this is to transfer the control to which page that you have mentioned. So what exactly you want to know? So whatever information that you have given in this text box in page 1.aspx, here you give some input now. That information you want to transfer to where? Page 2. So for that, what you have to do, you have to set question mark. Yes. Then variable demo. Then equal to. Then plus txt demo dot text semicolon. Now, along with this page, along with this page, so you're going to transfer. So what is demo now? Demo is called key, or you can call as name. And txt demo dot text contains value. So it's like you're sending now name value pair. So what is called demo asset? Name. What is txt demo.text asset? Value. So it's like name, value, pair you're sending. Name, value, pair. So how do you send? Through page name, question mark, key value pair. Yes, that is one approach. One approach. Exactly same way, server.transform. Go to page1.aspx, double click on server.transfer. Now you should write. What you should write is context dot items dot add, and you should give here demo, that is your key, and value txt demo dot text semicolon. So it's like you gave now key value pair, context dot items dot add. Okay. So now what you have to do? So using this context server object, I added now name value pair. Now difference is how this will be working and how this will be working. This makes a difference. The difference is here, especially response dot redirect, your page name, your value, name value pair, all will be visible directly in URL. In URL. Directly it is visible in URL. Okay, and you should provide here. What you have to provide is transfer. No? So I write server dot transfer page name, page to dot aspx. That is one more. Okay, now the third scenario is for cross page. For cross page, go to properties, and here what is the property you should give? For cross page, I should set the property post back URL, browse page2.aspx. Yes, page2.aspx. That's all, the process has been done. Okay, now save. Okay, now what you do, just input some value here, enter data. I'll just give this as, I just click on response.redirect. Here, you ask to go to page.aspx, and here demo equal to ref. What is demo? Name. What is Rehan? Value. Name value pair. And message is from this page. This is page 2. Now, but what is my interest is this key value pair which you're sending through URL. I would like to retrieve that data. I would like to retrieve that data from page 2. Now, to retrieve the data from page 2, now what you have to do, go to page2.aspx. This is however indication we have. This is page 2. Below it, I'm going to create one label. ASP colon label run at server. ID is equal to LBL dev. Yes. That is your label. Okay, I placed one label. Now, what do you want to do in this label? Now, using this label, we would like to have data retrieval, which is means whatever data that has been submitted by your page 1, that information I would like to retrieve now. I would like to retrieve. So for that process, what I should do, I should go to page2.aspx, open code behind file, F7. Now here, page load event is there. In that page load event, I should write if, here rule, for page 2, page 1 is your previous page is equals to null. Yes. What do you want to do? You want to get the data. So you want to get string value equal to request.query string demo. Right? And I want to display that information. LBL demo.text is equal to, I write redirect plus value, direct I'll give value plus break line. Yes. Let's run the code. Execute the code. Oh, sorry. You have to come from the beginning. Page 1. Page 1. Input the data. Click on response.redirect. Yes. We brought that. How did you bring? Using query string. Request.query string. Okay, let's try this also. Go back. Same name. Click on page2.aspx. Yes, it is going in the same way. The only problem is we didn't get data here. We didn't get data. Why? Okay. Because here the content what you said is previous page equal to null. That is fine. This code has worked, but when you you might have noticed. Okay, execute the code once again. We try. You notice the page working process. Page 1 currently. Page 2 now. This is second page I'm talking. Click on page 2.aspx. So it's going to page 2.aspx, but there's no data submission here. Here, data is not submitted. As in the case of response.redirect, it was sending page 1.aspx. Along with it, it was going with name value pair. That was done. But here, you find those things are missing. For that reason, we didn't get data. So do one thing then. Here I write if value not equal to null. Yes. Value not equal to null. Okay, try again. So you have to be in page 1. I'll do one thing. I'll directly make my page 1 as your startup page. Right click, set as start page. Okay, now it doesn't matter wherever your execution starts from page 1. Yes, input the data. Okay, it is working. Okay, this is all about redirect. Right now, second thing for the second part. So I write here else if previous page is cross page post back. Cross page post back. Okay. So this is for cross page I'm writing. So for this cross page, I should write now a statement. What is it? Text box t equal to previous page dot find control. Okay. So what's the method we have? Dot find control. And we got a control txt demo. And you want to get here return value will be control. So you have to typecast. That's the reason we're getting error. Okay, error will come. Now what else? Here I have to provide lbl demo.text is equal to cross page plus, and I should get my value txt t dot text. Right, let's see whether it supports or not. Semicolon. Run the code. Now input the data. Okay, response dot redirect working. Server dot transfer. Sorry, cross page, not server dot transfer. Okay, this is working. Yes, cross page is also working. Now you have to go with transfer. Else. String value equal to. How do you retrieve string value equal to value equal to should get the data. String value equal to, how do you retrieve, how did you send for server transfer? Check once. Acha, context object I should use now because it will be common object for all pages. Context dot items. And then you want to give here. What you have to give? LBL demo dot text is equal to what I should give value. So I'll write transfer column. Server dot transfer plus value. Concatenate. Yes, let's see them all the codes. If any mistakes and all, we'll test it. Execute. Input the data. Yes, this is working. Okay, let's see them. Execute the code. Data. Run the code. And you can see all the codes have been jumped. What did you find for when you click on anchor tag? What did you notice? Sharif. Response.redirect, perfect is working. Server.transfer, okay, perfect it is working. Cross page, perfect is working. Page 2. What is not being displayed for him? Yeah, name value pair is not being accessed. That's it. This is a program for page navigations. Why that is not coming? Yes. Is it anchor tag created or hyperlink? Okay, let's see. Come down. Yeah, it's anchor tag only. Anchor tag. Page2.aspx. So hyperlink also will do the same. Hyperlink. But anchor tag is placed when I drag and drop. So what actually happens is anchor tag as well as what do you call hyperlink, or for hyperlink anchor tag is created. If I'm not wrong, just give me a second. We'll try once. I simply drag and drop the control. We don't do any logic in that. Hyperlink control. Somewhere here I'll keep. Where? Page 1 I'll keep better. Page 1. Go to toolbox. And what is the control you have is hyperlink. Na? Just drag and drop. Nothing. Don't do any operation. Just select hyperlink. Okay. Run the code. Now try. Yeah. Yes. Hyperlink is correct only. Correct only. Yes. Hyperlink is anchor tag. Hyperlink is anchor. And we know very well about what do you call So hyperlink is not used. Hyperlink. Purpose of hyperlink is not. Hyperlink is when you use or whenever you place hyperlink. What hyperlink will do? Hyperlink cannot transfer data. Yeah. So hyperlink will not transfer data from one page to another page. Hyperlink only goes to the file. That's it. Goes to that file. But what it cannot do, that's what I was saying. What it cannot do, it cannot, it cannot, what it cannot, it cannot transfer the data from one web page to another web page. Yes, that's it. Please go through this code. Just I'll give you 2 minutes. Do you have anything to ask me? You can unmute your mic and talk, or you can put forward your query through chat now.